Yes, I do, with just one qualification, that the court and that the opposing attorney allows me to do so. Thank you. But other than that, absolutely. Well, I've seen many times when attorneys have told the story at the expense of truth, and they try to truncate your answer so you can't speak in the full context. Basically making you answer yes or no, when yes or no could deceive people. And I'm all about speaking the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Absolutely.
Okay.
Thank you. Sorry if there's any confusion with that.
When exactly did you video the exchange at Rustin's house?
It was in, I believe it was in August of 2019.
Okay.
I believe it's either August or September, but I think it was August.
Before or after this lawsuit was filed with Parker County?
It was after, because the first time that I talked with Ayden was prior to my videotaping the exchange, because he was living with his dad at the time at Colleen's house.
So you were already preparing Ayden before anything even happened?
No, what do you mean?
Now you said that his dad on that day you videotaped the exchange was not forbidding Ayden from going to his mom's house, right?
That is correct.
Okay. But he wasn't encouraging him to go to his mom's house either, was he?
Actually, he was. This was Ayden's decision. Ayden did not want to go.
Responsive after he was. Well, when you say that he was encouraging him, what did Mr. Wright say specifically that were words of encouragement to Ayden to go to his mom's house?
He basically said that your mom's out here. But he was not going to force him to go. That was Ayden's choice.
That's your opinion.
Well, it's my opinion, but I'm a fact witness to this. I am a witness to what took place. I thought you were asking my testimony as a witness.
So my question to you was, did he encourage Ayden to go? And your answer is, he told him his mom was out there, right? To you, is that encouraging your child to do something? Is that what that is? That's encouragement?
Ayden had made a number of allegations of abuse. And Rustin, well, I'm just asking the question. Okay, thank you. Sorry about that.
Today, I get to ask the question. Mm-hmm. You get to answer. You have to answer the questions I ask. We're not having a conversation.
The truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. My question is saying your mom is outside, does that encourage the child to go home with his mom? Yes or no?
That is not a yes or no question that can be answered in that way.
Sure it can.
No, it cannot, because of the circumstances.
Okay. So your opinion is that that was encouragement. That's what you're saying?
What I bore witness to...
Sir, let me finish my question. Given the circumstances, are you saying that those words, your mom is out there, encourage you?
It would be like saying your abusers are out there, go see them.
Non-responsive. Let's just put it very simply. He never told Ayden to go with his mom, right?
Because Ayden had made outcries of abuse.
That's a yes or no question, sir.
I don't remember every single detail of that, but he did tell...
Good, okay. So...
I would be glad to tell you what I do remember, but I think you would strike down my testimony.
Mr. Morgan.
Yes.
Within the last 2 weeks, you posted to the internet a transcript of the hearing that was held in this courtroom on March 14, 2022, correct?
I don't believe that is true, but I would have to look, because I was banned off of uploading things and I was on vacation last week, so I don't know what you're referring to. If you have if you have the video, I could look and see.
So, if I told you that I saw on the internet a video ascribed to your channel,
right.
Jeff Morgan, and it displayed a transcript of a proceeding in this court, would you have any reason to dispute that?
Your question was, did I do it in the last 2 weeks? I don't know. But I have put other videos up there that do have the transcript, absolutely.
Did you recently post a video displaying a transcript of this court's proceeding along with audio, word for word audio following the transcript?
Not recently that I'm aware of.
You're under oath, sir.
I am under oath. If you can show me the video, like I said, I was banned from uploading anything from YouTube for over a week. I was on vacation in Florida. I uploaded my first 6 videos 2 nights ago, I believe it was. It was talking about going through the voir dire process for parental discrimination issues. It was a mock voir dire. I am not aware of anything. If I did, if I could see my phone, I could look at it and see, but within the last 2 weeks, I don't think anything like that. But I am not positive. I just don't recall if I did.
Suddenly you're unfamiliar with what videos you posted you have.
I have almost 1,800 videos online.
Okay, let me ask you this question. I'll move on.
Sure.
Who provided you with the recorded audio from the proceeding in this courtroom that you have posted on the internet?
There are various people that have provided me with audios.
Okay, who are those people?
I don't remember who all they were. I get audios all the time. I get people contacting me from other states throughout the state of Texas. I get transcripts sent to me. People want me to work with them. I just can't do it.
Mr. Morgan, how many audio recordings of proceedings in this case have you published to the internet?
I really don't know. Maybe a couple, maybe 2 or 3. Going back to
How hard is it to remember who gave you the audio?
with about 1,800 videos, many of them having audio, and getting numerous emails. I don't know who did everything.
Okay. Well, this audio was recorded on March 14, 2022. I believe today is March 30th, 2022. May I finish my question?
Go ahead.
I haven't finished my question.
Go ahead.
What was the name of the video? Maybe it will jog my memory. I don't remember it.
I don't remember the video, sir. It was the hearing was March 14, 2022. Today is March 30th. That hearing was 16 days ago.
I wasn't here for that hearing, I don't think. Was I?
I didn't say you were, but you published an audio recording of that hearing.
I honestly don't remember it.
My question to you is, did you get that recording?
I don't remember the video, so I don't know. I really don't know what you're referring to. If I could have a recollection, if I could take a look at my Facebook channel, my phone's not here, I'd be able to know what you're referring to. But right now, I just don't know.
Well, for entertainment purposes, in the video, I'd just like to point out, you called me Scuzzy. And when I heard your testifying today, I wanted to bring you a bar substitute to clean up every time you're in my vicinity.
Okay, oh, that'd be wonderful. Okay, that's good.
Now, does that help your memory? Scuzzy Attorney Lawrence?
Actually, okay, so
advocating for his client?
I do say that, yes, I did call you that. I don't know.
That's the video, sir. Do you remember it now?
No, I don't. If you could give me the name of the video or the title of it.
The title, I think, was Scuzzy Attorney Lawrence.
I don't remember doing that, but I have said that to you. I mean, I have said that about you, and I've said it privately, and I've said it publicly, as far as I am aware. No, I know that. You're an attorney.
Yeah, you know, lowest of the low, right?
Well, not all attorneys are the lowest of the low.
But I'm in that category, right?
I think that there are things that you do not allow the truth to come out, and I think that you intentionally misrepresent things.
All right, I will take your criticism to heart. Now that you know what video it is, who gave you the audio for that video?
I still don't know what video it is. I'm familiar with the recollection of it. I don't know when it was published. If you could let me see, I'd be glad to take a look at it.
I really don't want to waste the jury's time.
Okay, but then I don't remember. I'm sorry.
I mean, it's shocking you can't remember something that you did and received within the last 2 weeks.
Like I said, I don't know.
Are you taking some kind of medication that affects your memory?
Not at all.
All right. Do you have any mental or physical condition?
Not in the least.
All right. No Alzheimer's, no dementia?
Nope.
Think about those things are horrible.
No, I'm sure they are. I'm not sure how that is relevant, but...
Well, unfortunately, we don't care if anything is relevant or not.
I understand. I appreciate it. Mr. Lawrence, if...
I don't have a question after this. Now, you did make what I thought was a very interesting statement. You suddenly made public last night a number of videos related to this case or interviews with Ayden that you said you thought would be appropriate for anybody who'd want to see them at this time. That was your testimony, correct?
What I said is that it's on my Google Drive. They had been private. I gave anybody that has the link access to see the video in case it would help the jurors.
In case it would help the jurors.
And I'm not even sure that they're allowed to see it, but link has not been published to anybody. It's on a private Google Drive. It is not on YouTube.
Was that your purpose to justify today, to come in here, tell the jurors, hey, there's some videos on the internet of Ayden and this?
No.
Wink, wink, you might want to watch them before you make your decision. Is that the purpose you come here?
My purpose is to speak the truth, sir, and the whole truth and nothing but the truth, not the truncated truth, not a deceptive lie.
Well, who would want to see these videos on this one particular evening or day?
So I've been contacted by people throughout the country on Rustin's case, and I've been contacted on very many other cases. I've got over 6,100 subscribers. Many people have said that they've seen my videos. Some of them get no views, very few views. Some of them get a couple thousand. I never know what's going to happen.
It's peculiar that 2 weeks before this jury trial is supposed to start, or actually within 2 weeks of it starting, you post a secretly recorded audio of proceeding in this case.
I don't remember doing this, sir.
Along with the transcript, word for word, along with your commentary, your legal commentary.
It's not legal commentary.
And shortly before the trial. Then, subsequently, on the Tuesday night, day 2 of the trial, the night before you're going to testify, you publish videos for anyone who might want to see them.
That's a mischaracterization. They are not published. They are still private. And I said they were on my private Google Drive, and that
the public.
Anybody who has the link, and nobody has the link, I sent it to Attorney Ben Beveridge last night, because I went through it to refresh my mind about all of the things that took place. I wanted to make sure that I had fresh in my mind some of the things that they were doing. But they have not been made public to anybody. I did let Attorney Ben Beveridge know in case there was anything he wanted to use. I don't even think he can use them. But it's my testimony. I was there. It's my witness. I'm telling the truth. And I tried to find ways to discount what Ayden was saying. That's why Rustin wasn't there.
Isn't it ironic that you got in this stand, the first thing you said, I'm here for fairness and justice, and then minutes later appear to say, but I'm willing to poison a jury.
I'm not willing to poison a jury. I'm saying that the jury should have full knowledge of what's going on here. From my perspective,
Well, that's why these parties have attorneys. That's why we have evidence involving the jury.
I think that your evidence has been truncated and has been misleading.
Well, you can go to law school and you can represent it.
I am not going to do that. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. People have asked me, but there's no way I can do that.
I don't have it right now.
Am I dismissed? Can I go back to work? Thank you.